Okay, this is a review for the MEGAWISE air humidifier. I've already taken it out of the box. What you would do is go ahead and get your water in it, take the top off, you would fill it up. There is a marking here that says max. You can see that on the inside very clearly, but also on the outside, you have two markings. One says optimal. So around here would be optimal, then you have maximum. So they put it into places, which makes it convenient. On the front panel, we basically have just a simple dial. All the way to the left is off. Once you click, you'll hear a click once you get to the minimum. And then you basically have this gradual increase of how much moisture you want to add to the air. And then you also have a button over here to the right of this dial that allows you to turn the light on or off, which is essentially like a night light, if you will. Plug in, ready to rock and roll. Simple to use. I think that it'll help out, and it's pretty much all we need.